Hello, 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 it's DarionMarie. Welcome back to my channel. Let's just jump right into it. So, this is my hair. We'll talk a little bit more about that later, but to start, I am just going to start by combing out my hair. It's very, very coily, very just black. So, first things first, to make sure it's really detangled and ready to style. Now, after it's all detangled, I then went in with a blow dryer and just tried to really stretch out my little, real teeny tiny afro. So this is really just helping me, I guess, get a really nice grip on my hair because it is super short. So stretching it out just makes it so that I can actually, like, function. After it's all stretched out, I'm now gonna start sectioning off the front part of my hair because I wanted the ponytail to like be a side part ponytail, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna start by parting my hair, and then I'm going to just sort of rubber band off that top, well, the front section of my hair. That way I can really, you know, define the part. That, yeah. So to slick everything down, I'm going to use this Style Factor Edge Booster. This stuff is amazing, especially if you have really short hair and you want to do like fun styles with it. And even just in general, I really, really love this stuff. But anyway, I'm just going to use this literally all over my head on every single strand of hair. I'm going to put this stuff on it. So really what you need to do is just, you know, make a small part. I would suggest starting in the back. So make a small part, pop on a whole lot of this stuff, work it in there, comb it through, and then sort of mold it into the shape that you want it to go. So for me, I just wanted a low ponytail, so it was actually a lot simpler than if I were to do like a high ponytail or something. So anyway, I'm just gonna run this all over literally every single section of my hair and start molding it into the low ponytail that I want it to be in. So while you guys watch me put this stuff all over my hair, we can talk a little bit about my hair. So obviously I cut all my hair off for like the 5th time, I think. I don't know. But yeah, I cut it all off because it was getting really bad, really damaged, really just nasty, and I was pretty much over it. I cut it all off, I want to say like 5 months ago, so this is like 5 months worth of hair growth. It's really not a lot, but it kind of is. But it's not, but it is. So yeah, anyway, this is the state of my hair as of now. And yeah, it's a work in progress. I'm not really too fond of it. I just sort of try to put it away somehow, but yeah, this is my hair for right now. I know the last time I did a hair video, my hair was much longer, but yeah, it just got really gross and it just had to go away. And I definitely just feel like if your hair is starting to get gross and damaged and just ew, just cut it all off. It'll grow back. It's fine. It's fine. I've done it like 5 times. So anyway, at the top part of my head, right where that little like swoop kind of is, This is the part that you really want to, you know, pay super close attention to because it is in the front of your head. So you really just want to make sure that that's really nice and flat, really smooth. I would definitely suggest getting not only a comb but also a brush, and also using like the heat of your hand just to really make sure that everything is nice and sleek and nice and just, you know, firm. So yeah. So anyway, at the front you can pretty much just do whatever you want. Like you can do like a real big swoop if you wanted, but I didn't want to do all that. You could do some fun little baby hairs and, you know, whatever, but I was really just going for a really simple kind of ponytail moment, so I didn't really do anything fun and crazy. So yeah, you can if you want, girl, but I was tired. Now, after I've got everything pretty much how I want it, I'm then going to take quite a few, like scarves, head things, whatever you want to call it, do-rags, all those things, and I'm just going to shove a bunch on my head because I really wanted it to be, like, firm and not go anywhere because I did want to wear this for, you know, a couple days. So this just really helps to make sure that everything is like nice and firm, nice and stuck, nice and sleek, so that you can wear it for a longer period of time. And so for me, I just wore it on my head for, I don't know, I want to say like an hour or so because I didn't have to go to work right after this, but yeah. Alright, so let's get into the ponytail part of this video. So the hair that I'm going to use for the ponytail is from the brand Model. It's their gardenia hair, I believe is what this is, when it's in the style Italian curl. I wanted a more like curly ponytail just because like my hair kind of was a little bit wavy in the ponytail, so I just kind of wanted something to kind of match it. I actually should have chosen a different curl pattern, but I like this one, so that's the one I picked, and I really wasn't too pressed because I was going to take it out eventually anyway. So yeah. So to secure this on my head, what I actually had to do was use a bit of braiding hair. I didn't show you guys that part, but you definitely want to use a little bit of braiding hair if your hair is short, and you just want to use the braiding hair in like your natural hair, if that makes sense. It's hard to explain, but I'll try to, you know, write some stuff on the screen. So yeah, use that to make like a small ponytail in the back, and then you want to go ahead and wrap the hair around that small like little bun in the back. This doesn't make sense, but hopefully by watching, it'll make sense. So yeah, to put the ponytail on, it was actually really, really simple. I took the end of like a weft and just used like a small like string of hair and wrapped that around my little bun first, and then I went ahead and wrapped the entire weft around my head until it came to the end, and then I took another small piece of hair and wrapped that around to secure it. So yeah, you can kind of do this a couple different ways, but that was honestly the easiest way for me to do it because my hair is super short. So, after that's all said and done, you're done. It's honestly really, really simple to do this hairstyle. It just takes a whole lot of time, especially if you do have short hair and you know you have to go through each one of those small sections and really try to get a grip on your hair and, you know, slap some stuff on there. So it is pretty time consuming, but it works. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this super quick tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that other fun stuff. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye!